We are in the International Men's Health Month, which is November, and we observe this month by keeping a Mo, that's why it is called as Movember. So we are going to talk about prostate cancer predominantly, though men's health issues could be addressed in different areas, such as besides prostate, it's the sexual health, depression, that is mental health, and the cardiac health as well. But today we are just going to touch base with the prostate and prostate cancer. Prostate is a small gland which is present only in men. However, in aging population, it becomes quite notorious. It can cause enlargement, causing various urinary symptoms, but at the same time it can turn into a cancer. Therefore, there are various things which we can observe to pick this cancer up in early stages so that it can be addressed in early stages. Basically, there are 2 or 3 things which could be done. The number one thing, man enters into his 5th decade, he should get his prostate checked by a professional person, mainly a urologist or a medical person. Along with that, there is a blood test called a PSA, which means prostate specific antigen, and it has to be done, and it is considered as a complementary to the examination which has been performed by the urologist. World is divided about performing a PSA test as a screening test, and there has been no consensus. Having said that, PSA is a very important and sensitive test, and in selected individuals it has to be performed on a regular basis. It definitely helps in picking up the prostate cancer in earlier stages so that it could be addressed and it could be potentially cured. Prostate cancer is very common even in India. Unfortunately, the incidence of advanced prostate cancer in India is much higher than in Western world, and that could be because of late presentation to the doctor. Therefore, the PSA test, which is a simple blood test, is recommended in men who are over 50, and they can get it done on an annual basis. Of course, needless to say, a visit to a urologist is certainly recommended to get their prostate checked. On this International Men's Health Month, I take this opportunity and appeal all the men above 50 to go and visit their doctor, get their PSA test done, and get their prostate checked. This will avoid future issues. Thank you.